everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, like you previously saw on the clips, I'm going to start my new series on my YouTube channel, which is where I try different acrylic brands. It could be from small business, popular brands, or higher end brands. So this will be the first episode. So to start with, I'm going to start working with this very plastic thin stiletto tips. I will go more into details about these tips when I try this brand Acrylics, so I'm not gonna go into details on this video. So for the first episode, we are trying the Tickled Pinque brand. This is the Ice Queen Clearest Core Powder on Earth, 14.95. Retails for 14.95. It says that is the clearest acrylic that probably that they have, or maybe compared to others, not sure. The next one is Blue Lagoon Margarita, which is a beautiful glitter one for 13.95. And I can tell you, I give 5 star for the packaging. Very beautiful. It looks like this is like a high-end brand. It give me the vibe of a beautiful cosmetic line. Very pretty. The way the brand has the name on it and the details on the letters, and also the packaging. Like, look at this. When I twist this around, it's very easy to open. It comes sealed, and boom, it is full, guys. It is very packed and full. So you get your money worth from these products. And here's the other one. This one is very full as well. So for today's video, I want to try some gel, kind of like a tutorial using a construction gel I got from Amazon. This is one of my favorite construction gel. Highly recommend. It comes in a pack of 4. And of course, one of my favorite brushes, which is the Young Nails number 12. I like this one because it has the long hairs. So I'm gonna start by applying Ice Queen on this nail, and I'm applying just a very thin layer because I just want the thin layer, because you guys will see that I will add the construction gel, so pretty much to protect my nail and prevent that heat spike. And out of the back, I can say I give 5 stars to this application. It was very easy. It gives you time to apply the acrylic. It don't dry it on you really fast. And one of the most important things that I look on any brand that sells acrylic is that it's beginner friendly. Specific now that we have the pandemic going on, that a lot of you don't want to go to a nail salon, that you want to do your own nails, I would highly suggest this acrylic. It is very beginner friendly. And look at this. I put the bead. It gave me time to get it near the cuticle, not too close, of course. It gave me time to move it around and to put it where I want it. So now I'm going to continue with this Young Nail Pro Gel Brush and with my construction gel. And I'm just going to put a very thin layer of construction gel on my nail tips, because what I'm doing here, let me explain you guys. What I'm doing here is I'm adding the shells, right? So these shells are very thin, and I love it because I can break them with my fingers to make like tiny little pieces of shell if I don't want like a big chunk. And I think the best way to adhere the shell to the tip is by a construction gel. I can do it with the clear acrylic, but in my head, I think it's gonna take longer, and because the acrylic can dry at some point, and I want to do it. I want to have time placing my shells. I want to do it relaxed. I want to make sure I'm placing the shells what I wanted. So there's no hurry in the placement of the shells. Versus if I decided to do it with the acrylic, then I will have to hurry up because because the acrylic will dry at some point. And here you guys can see that I'm going back, looking again, trying to see where to put each piece. So I'm giving myself time to do a beautiful placement of these shells. And these shells, guys, it came in, I think it was in my Nail Boxy box subscription, and it has a lot of colors as you can see. But I'm focusing more into putting the ones that are blue, green, kind of like the water, like the salt water, because you guys know I love my summer nails. Like, I just love summer nails. So this is what I'm doing, and as you guys can see, I'm leaving like a space between each shell that I place, because I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna add the glitter from the same brand and also another glitter that I have, a loose glitter. And of course, I cure for about 60 seconds, and I make sure that the shells are very adhered to the gel, that is very very, very cure. So I repeated the same step in the other nail because you guys know I like to repeat what I do in the index finger in the third nail. So pretty much that's what I do in all my tutorials. Now, this part is very, very important because I do have construction gel. Once you cure, it will leave you like a very sticky surface, and you have to make sure that you clean that stickiness away. And I'm using a lint-free wipe with alcohol because it can affect your acrylic from adhere to that stickiness. Okay, I will talk more ahead, but you guys know these little things. Remember, I showed you guys on a whole video, and on that whole video, I got a few comments saying that to try this because you guys want to see how this apply. So I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do it on this clip here. You guys can see. So what I decide to do is cut a little bit, and then I'm gonna adhere these little strings, and they are beautiful. And you guys wait until you see how beautiful this look in the nail. So what I did, I cut them right. I'm gonna put again a thin layer of construction gel, and when I say a thin layer, guys, keep in mind that these tips are very, very thin, like you guys saw at the beginning of the video, right? So we will have to build this nail. Unfortunately, that's a lot of work. um, I will go into more details about the tips later on another video, but let's just leave it there, okay? So I apply a thin layer of gel because I'm gonna put on top of this the clear acrylic, right? So we don't want to have too much. The gel is only to adhere the string. So that's what I'm doing, and you guys can see how I'm using my tweezers, how I'm taking my time. There's no hurry. I'm relax. The strings are not gonna move. They are into the gel, so I can take my time and place them however I want, and whatever it's out of the tip, I cut it. You guys saw that. And I just take my time, and make sure that the full tip is full of my strings, okay? So I will continue doing that. And when I'm done, of course, I will cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds and clean the stickiness of the construction gel. Okay, so after I did all that, guys, I go back again and place another thin layer of construction gel. This is why I'm telling you just place thin layers of gel. You don't need too much, just a little bit. And of course, guys, if you don't have construction gel, you can do this with a base coat. You can also do it with a top coat, believe it or not, but it has to be like a thick one, okay? You can also do this with what else? Yeah, base coat, top coat, even the gel that they sell to add rhinestones, you can do that. Or you can use glue and use a dry glue spray. It works perfect. So now here I grab the Blue Lagoon Margarita acrylic powder, and you guys can see how beautiful, how cute the dimension that this glitter will give to this nail. Beautiful. And if you guys see that I'm pressing, is because remember, the stickiness of the gel is still a little bit there, so it can give me a hard time placing the acrylic, but it's fine. There was no issue. It was my fault because I have the gel underneath. So here I'm trying to put more of the glitter, and this glitter is, oh my god, it's beautiful. I really, really like this brand. acrylic potters. Like, I'm impressed, I will say. And actually, it is a small business, and you can find them on Instagram. Also, they have a beautiful website. You guys can go check it out. And this is how it's looking so far. So at this point, I'm like, oh wow, they look beautiful, but they need that boom factor. So I decided to bring this loose glitter. You guys saw this loose glitter on my past videos. And I think I got it from Michael. Yeah, I did. I got it from Michael. And on the giveaway, I added this glitter, which is just beautiful, guys. And this glitter will give the final touch because it's the same color as the shell, so it looks beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the clear acrylic powder from the same brand, the Ice Queen, and then I grab like a little bit of that acrylic, clear acrylic, and then put it on the glitter and then put it on the nail, because that's how I'm adding the glitter to the tip. And look how beautiful this looks. So I'm going to continue placing this beautiful glitter. So this is how they look, guys. So now is the moment of truth, okay? Now we're gonna give it a test to this clear acrylic Ice Queen, right? The brand says it's the clearest acrylic that exists, probably, or compared to the ones they sell. I think it's compared to the other brands because that will make more sense. And I'm encapsulating this nail, and look at this, like, wow. Like I stated, 5 stars to this acrylic powder. The performance is beautiful, and I can definitely tell these nails are gonna be bum. Like the clear, it's gonna look cute. It's gonna look very clear. Like, you know that feeling when you use gel to encapsulate a nail, and it looks so beautiful and clear. I think I'm gonna have the same feeling with this, but I don't know yet until I put the top coat. So let's just leave that for the end. So far, I love it the way it's performing, and you guys can see I'm relaxed. This is giving me time to move it around, and it's not going all the way to my, you know how it's not moving that to everywhere like a mess. So, and now I wait until it dries, and I'm gonna start filing. And because these tips are so long, it's gonna take me a while to file. So I'm just shaping the size and everything. I use the drill for to seal my cuticle area. And look at this apex. Oof, beautiful. So now I'm just cleaning my tips, cleaning with alcohol. Mix I did with alcohol and water, and a free lint wipe, and just without the top coat, you guys can tell. Wow, beautiful. So for this video, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done before. I'm gonna use a Kiss nail glue and a nail glue dryer spray to adhere my rhinestones. I've had seen this done before, so I'm curious to try it. And by the way, I got the spray at Sally. You can also get it on Amazon. It's not that expensive, may I say. And these rhinestones are beautiful. The colors are like water rhinestones. It match perfect with this nail look that I'm going for. And a few things I have to say. While working with the glue and the nail dryer sprays for the glue, you have to move fast. I will have to say this, you have to move fast. This is not time to think how you're going to place the rhinestones, because by the time you do, it will be dry. So this is why I see people, like, when they use the glue, they move fast and they already know where the rhinestones are going to go, the placement and everything, because by the time you put one and then you put more glue and then you look for the rhinestone or whatever, think about it, it will get dry. Even without using the spray, it will get dry. So you guys can see that I'm spraying from not that close, and also I move away my rhinestone when I'm spraying. I don't want that spray to get on my rhinestones or any decoration. So I move my decoration away and then I spray. And I will repeat the same thing that I'm doing on this nail on my other nail, and on the pinky I'm just going to put rhinestones in the cuticle area. But I did like how strong the rhinestones are on the nail with the glue. I would have to say that I like the idea, I like the concept. It's just that you have to work you have to work one rhinestone at a time. So you put glue, put the rhinestone, go to the next one. Glue, rhinestone. You cannot do glue, glue, and rhinestones, because it will be dry by the time you put the second one. And once you're done, you spray the nail from a little bit far from your rhinestones. That way the spray don't get to your rhinestones. I don't know if this may affect your rhinestones, but let's just do it. Just be safe and do it. And look how beautiful they're looking. These rhinestones are perfect for this nail set, and then the gold circle, perfect. And now I'm gonna use this magic nail guard top coat. To be honest with you, I never have used this before. First time using this top coat, and I love it. It also came on my nail boxy subscription box in one of them. And what you guys think? Look at these nails. Look at the string I got from the website sheen.com. Look at that. Wow. And I got a bunch of strings, different colors I will be using on my next tutorials as well. But look how beautiful these nails look. And I have to say, this clear acrylic may be the clearest acrylic on the market, just like the brand is saying. So let me know in the comment below a few things. Let me know if you have tried this brand before. Let me know what you think about the application, about the nail tutorial that I just did. Um, Let me know if you have tried the brand before. I'm curious to know. Overall, I would say the packaging is beautiful. It comes fully packed, the packaging, so you don't get less amount of product. So I love that. I would say the packaging is just beautiful, pleasing to the eye. Prices are what a normal acrylic will cost, so I don't see anything expensive there. I will definitely will reach to more using these acrylics, of course. And overall, I will give this brand a 5 out of 5 stars. Beautiful. So let me know in the comments what other brand I should try, guys, for the next episode. I will be reading the comments. If you have a question, leave it in the comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will put closest pictures also on my website. I will go more in details to the products and the brand also. And let me know what you think, guys. And hopefully you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.